So it is a couple days before our trip and I want to get some things buttoned up in the garden. I have still some stuff to plant. I have some seeds to reseed. There's things that are growing but they're kind of like pittering out. So I want to get some things started again, and then I want to weed some things and just kind of button things up so that once I'm gone and Stace come, thank you Stace, to help take care of the garden, water it and all that stuff. She's not seeing all that stuff, or because sometimes when you try to help somebody and you come over to just water and then you see something and then you end up starting to do, I don't want her to start to do that. So I'm going to get all of those things done, and hopefully it doesn't take me too long. It's the end of the day right now, so it's around 6:30. The sun is blazing, so that's why I have the hat on, and I'm gonna also put on some mosquito spray because I'm going deep in the back where the tomatoes are. But yeah, so let's just jump right into it because I don't want to waste any time. Sounds like I'm spraying a lot, but it's actually pretty empty, so that's why having to spray a good amount. I think the first thing that we're gonna do is just go around and weed. So I'm actually gonna just grab my gloves and I'm gonna take you guys along. We're gonna start with this area here because this squash is just blocking the entrance and it hasn't produced anything, and yeah, I'm just gonna take her out. Sorry. And just that alone. Ziggy, no. So I'm gonna grab some weed fabric and put it here. That will make my life so much easier. Get this out the way. The mosquitoes are just swarming me right now. It is too hot for a sweater. I refuse. Okay, I thought it wouldn't be long enough. Wide enough if I did it this way. But it's working out. Get in. Whatever. Killing me softly with weed fabric. Killing me softly with weed fabric. Killing me softly with weed fabric. Okay, this is good. This is good. All these weeds that are growing in here is telling me that this area needs to be topped up with wood chips. And that's gonna have to wait until we get back. Also want to get some of these into the sides, the bottom holding this chicken wire. I just want to make sure nothing can dig up and get in there, even though I know groundhogs can climb. Your girl is just hoping for the best, okay? Hoping for the best, preparing for the worst. I don't even want any of it sticking out. I may wrap something around here because, you know, if you're a groundhog and you're not thinking about this because you don't know what's there, you see the wire, you move on. But if you like come here and get a taste of these sweet potato vines, you're jumping this fence. I just know they are. That's just the type of groundhogs that I have. It's a charming little beast. I need to get my husband out here to put chicken wire around the watermelons and the corn. I don't think, and maybe that pumpkin in the back, because I would hate to lose that. And then I could use these chicken wire closures for individual stuff around the garden. All right, say goodnight. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't you come back out here. These mosquitoes are vicious. Vicious buggers, man. Let's actually go back over here. I ran out of weed fabric there, but I want to get all of these morning glories that are on the fence because eventually they get over onto my plants and strangle them. So I think we're just gonna do that next. Oh my gosh, the mosquitoes. Retreat. Retreat. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling the mosquito bites through my jeans. And these are supposed to be my mosquito bite resistant jeans. At least I was hoping. While I'm gone, I do not want this to be a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So I'm gonna make sure to dump that out and just cover it. just growing in between here. Some little things, little weeds, but I might as well get it while I'm in the weeding mood. I think I'm gonna take this out. I think it's stifling a lot of things. I always forget to give you guys like a quick overview, but this weed fabric is not stapled down. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my husband help to lift up those grow bags to just use that to keep it down. And then I gotta throw this away in a few minutes. I'm just kind of rushing because I got the call for dinner. And then I was able to get that done on the fence. And this done here. So it's mainly working with tomatoes tomorrow. That's the main thing. Trellising the tomatoes down there and actually planting the tomatoes here. So guys, we're going to cut it here. I think I did a good amount of work. I got a lot done. I'm really happy with the progress. The only thing that I have left to do is the tomatoes, taking these up, and I think I'm just gonna come out early tomorrow morning and get that done. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this motivates you to get your weeds under control. It is literally an issue for me every single year. I don't think this is going to stop until we put in a fence, and of course we're gonna have to put like concrete at the bottom, concrete blocks or something, just to stop that morning glory from coming through. Same thing for the other side. Just a pain, but we did it. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go eat something because I'm hungry. So see you guys next time.